Dealer mobil satu ini nggak berasa kayak dealer, malah berasa kayak hotel bintang 5. Selamat datang di BMW Eurocars yang di Peak 2, dealer BMW terbaru yang gabung sama Mini. Ini pertamanya nih di Indonesia nih. Dan ini itu udah retail next alias udah bentukan yang terbarunya, teman-teman. Jadi ini showroom, tapi nggak kerasa kayak showroom. Rasanya kayak hotel bintang 5. Dan Peak 2 tuh panas banget ya. Sepanas itu, tapi di dalam sini gua nggak tahu AC-nya berapa banyak. Ini adem banget. Dan sebelah sini ini ada section untuk BMW M, ada M2 dan ada M4 Competition. Tapi M2-nya ini spesial sekali, manual. Wow. Yes. BMW Indonesia itu ngejual BMW M2 manual, teman-teman. Ini kalau kalian suka nyetir, pure suka banget, pure driving ya. Ini manualnya sih harus banget sih. Gue juga kepengen banget. Cakep banget ini. Manual, terus bucket seatnya juga yang bucket seat beneran, ya kan? Ini juga karbon. Jadi ini emang speknya lebih tinggi dibandingkan BMW M2 yang biasanya manual. Ajaib banget. Sini. Sebelah sini ada M4. Nah, ini udah pakai performance parts. Jadi BMW M4 tapi udah ditambah performance parts kayak ada grill di sini, ada di bawah. Terus juga ada side skirt karbon. Sininya karbon, sini karbon. Sampai ada fixed wing di belakang sini yang dari karbon. Ih, cakep banget. Terus knalpotnya 4 di tengah. Knalpot M performance begini mahal banget. Yang bener sini dealer buat orang kaya doang yang main kesini pengen beli mobil ya. Ini mahal banget, rare parts banget ini teman-teman. Cakep banget. M performance. Sadis banget ya. Lanjut. Kalau misalkan pengen punya baju-baju M-nya juga ada, ya kan? BMW. Jadi, ini kalau sekalian agak kedinginan, ya kan? Pengen beli sweater, tapi pengen ada BMW-nya, boleh BMW M. Topi berapa harganya? Topinya 1,2 harganya. Wow. Oke. Balikin dulu. Bentukannya itu enak banget. Dan ini namanya retail next, teman-teman. Jadi lampu-lampunya, interiornya, semuanya itu emang standar BMW yang terbaru. Bahkan bentuk-bentuk sofanya begini. Lebih kayak di ini emang ya, lebih kayak di mana? Di hotel ya. Ini terlalu nyaman untuk showroom, tau nggak lo? Bikin ngantuk. Ternyata gue dikasih tahu sama Mas Nugra, ini TV bukan TV biasa katanya. Jadi ini nyambung ke iPad lo nih?
Iya, bener.
Buat apa?
Ini namanya EVE, Emotional Virtual Experience. Jadi EVE ini gunanya buat kalau kita kan di sini displaynya mungkin tidak selengkap itu ya. Nah, jadi
kalau udah banyak banget nih. Nah,
dengan
jadi
adanya EVE ini kita bisa melihat mobil-mobil misal konfigurasinya tuh nggak ada.
Jadi kalau misalkan mobil-mobil yang nggak ada di sini gitu ya.
Di sini atau misal mobilnya ada tapi kita pengen lihat misal warna lain.
Coba ini jadi ini lagi contohnya M2 nih ya.
Iya.
Ini bisa lo putar-putar nih.
Bisa, ini live. Ini kita bisa putar. Kita bisa ganti juga angle-nya.
Oke.
Ya, jadi ini karena kita masukin VIN number. Jadi ini dalamnya exact sama kayak.
Jadi ini based on VIN number ya. Oh, iya sama persis sama kayak tadi ya.
Sama persis, joknya carbon seat juga yang sama. Trim-trimnya sama semua. Velgnya pun sama, kalau Puris kan dia
velgnya sama ya.
Velgnya hitam, jadi dapetnya hitam.
Nice, cakep sekali. Thank you Mas Nugra. Gue muter-muter lagi ya.
Oke.
Sebelah sini pertama kalinya di Indonesia ada showroom BMW gabung sama Mini, teman-teman. Jadi ini Mini, ya kan? Ini ada Mini Countryman, ada Mini Countryman yang GCW juga. Jadi kalian kalau misalkan lagi beli BMW terus kayak, aduh kepengen punya Mini juga deh gitu, langsung aja. Kalian orang-orang kayak itu mungkin tiba-tiba kayak, aduh BM deh pengen beli mobil gitu, Mini lucu kali ya, nah langsung datang aja ke sini, ke Peak 2 ya kan. Ini Mini 3-door, gue suka banget Mini 3-door. Yang ini yang gue suka, yang listrik. Ya, Mini elektrik. Cakep banget. Gue udah pernah bahas full di vlog gue sebelumnya yang di Gias. Kalian bisa lihat. Gue suka banget Mini yang ini. Tuh, kalau tadi BMW di sana kan apa ya, warna-warnanya lebih kalem. Kalau di Mini sini lebih terang, tapi tetap keren. Interior desainernya tuh bagus banget emang. Jadi ini semua standar BMW internasional guys. Tuh bajunya lucu, coba kita lihat. Wah, ini sih tasnya sekolah buat Aaron.
Ini
Lucu banget. Ini lucu. Ya ampun. Nah, lucu sekali. Ini buat Leica sih.
mereka lucu.
Ini Leica lucu banget sih. Tapi biasanya harganya tuh nggak murah guys. Part number, ada part numbernya. 80, 14, 2, 463, 250, 718.000. Lucu sih sejujurnya. Lucu banget, nggak bohong, lucu banget. Lanjut, kita lihat sebelah sini. Ada i5 Touring nggak tuh sebelah sini? Ini yang kemarin kita cobain, ya kan? Yang buat kita pakai buat nganterin Aaron sekolah. Nah, sebelah sini guys, sini. Ini adalah delivery room. Bagus amat ya delivery room ya. Lampunya mahal banget sih katanya. Ada sofa-sofanya. Apa sih delivery room ini? Jadi kalau misalkan kalian beli BMW atau Mini di sini, di BMW Eurocars di Peak 2 ini, kalian bisa pilih untuk mobilnya diambil di sini. Jadi nggak di towing, tapi kalian ambil di sini dan di ruangan khusus ini teman-teman. Jadi bukan delivery di luar panas-panasan, enggak. Di dalam sini. Contoh ini tadi udah punya customer nih. Ini adalah mobil punya customer BMW 7 Series terbaru. Deliverynya di sini dipakein pita merah. Jadi nyaman sekali. Peak 2 tidak terasa panas di dalam BMW Eurocars ini teman-teman. Ini keren banget emang. Ada-ada aja inovasinya BMW ini. Merchandise ya kan, sampai coffee bar itu ada semua di sini. Jadi emang dealernya ya, showroomnya itu emang se-premium itu, sampai nggak berasa kayak lagi di showroom teman-teman. Aksesoris ya kan. Tuh BMW itu aksesorisnya banyak. Ini udah gue pakai ini. Hub kit itu buat yang dipelek itu loh guys. Jadi kalian kalau kepengen ngadem aja di Peak 2, datang aja sini ke BMW Eurocars yang di Peak 2 ini. Tempatnya senyaman itu. Tapi tenang, ini baru lantai 1 guys. Ada 3 lantai di sini, di atas, dan di atasnya lagi masih ada. Jadi kita coba jalan-jalan naik ke atas kali ya. Kita lihat sisanya nih isinya ada apa aja. Lucu banget nih buat Leica sama Aaron. Baju-baju Mini Cooper gini. Kalau di lantai 2 sini itu adalah BMW Premium Selection atau mobil bekasnya lah ya kan. Nah, mobil bekasnya itu ada yang Mini tentunya, sama ada yang BMW-nya. Ini mobil bekasnya. Jadi kalau kalian tetap pengen mobil bekas BMW tapi yang berkualitas, yang ada standarnya, itu BMW Premium Selection ini. Kayak yang sebelah sini nih ada M2C ya kan, yang dijual bekas. Cakep banget lagi warnanya. Udah kasih spoiler ya kan. Udah pakai beberapa parts-parts modifikasi juga. Sebelah sini ada M3 yang baru ya kan. Tapi warna hijaunya ini loh yang sangat-sangat menggoda. Wow. Retail price-nya 1,7 guys. Bentukannya kayak baru. Jadi memang kalau misalkan kalian pengen punya BMW gitu kan, tapi kepengen yang harganya agak diskon ya kan, bisa nih BMW Premium Selection. Dan waktu sebelum kita ganti ke wagon yang abu-abu ini, itu ada vlog ya, waktu itu yang gue jual BMW wagon yang warna birunya ke BMW Premium Selection. Prosesnya emang ketat, jadi stok yang ada di sini stok bagus teman-teman. Dealer orang kaya emang beda ya. Mobil rare begini aja dipajang doang loh di sini, biar orang bisa lihat. Dan kita ini lagi ada di lantai 3, karena di lantai 3 ini adalah workshopnya dealer terbaru BMW Eurocars ini teman-teman. Dan karena showroom tadi udah retail next, jadi workshopnya itu juga udah baru. Dan BMW itu punya sesuatu yang namanya Relax We Care ya. Dan ini gue udah sempat ngerasain sedikit waktu itu ban mobil gue pecah. Gue bener-bener nyantai banget, semuanya udah diurusin, gampang banget. Dan sekarang itu lebih nyantai lagi katanya. Tapi kayaknya kita minta tolong teman gue aja untuk ngejelasin lebih lanjut apa sih sebenarnya BMW Relax Weekend. So now we are here with Pak Maha. How are you, Pak?
I'm good, very good, thank you.
Congratulations on the new store,
It is.
on
it is
the
our
new
pleasure.
workshop.
Yes.
Looks very cool. Looks very futuristic, I would say.
Yes.
So I've been telling the audience about the program called Relax We Care,
Yes.
but of course you know better than me.
Yep.
So maybe if you don't mind, share to us a bit about what is Relax We Care and how is it important for the BMW customer.
Okay, so Relax VK is not only a slogan.
Oh, okay.
It's our commitment to customers.
Uh-huh.
So end of the day, the Relax VK, we have 3 pillars. Excellent execution, proactive contact, and also customer journey, right?
Okay.
So for us, the customer journey is very important. So in Eurocars here, this workshop that you see behind me is a flagship workshop.
Okay.
Right? So before we go to that, for a customer, we want to make a seamless journey for a customer. So from the time of booking to the time the customer arrives, we are already ready with our parts.
Okay.
So in other words, those days were gone when the customer needs to wait for parts, right? So today we have our remote diagnosis, RITA, which allows us to diagnose the car before the car comes into the workshop.
So you can diagnose the car even when the car is not here.
Yes. So we will contact the customer.
Uh-huh.
Dear Mr. Customer, when you're ready for the booking, we will then do a diagnosis on the car with the customer's consent, of course. And then the customers, if requires any parts for the replacement, we will order the parts. So the day the customer comes, the parts are ready for him or her.
Wow, jadi kalian nggak usah capek-capek mampir ke bengkel untuk ngecek, karena ngeceknya bisa dari jauh alias bisa remote. Wow, that's very convenient, ya.
That's a very new technology to facilitate our workshop processes so that we can get the customer's car mobile back on the road
Yes.
quick. That's the idea.
Nice.
And more importantly, we have our My BMW app. That is kind of the backbone.
Yes, and I've tried the apps before, but I only tried it to start the car,
Yeah.
remote lock and unlock, but it can do more than that.
Yes. So in the future, it will allow you to make even bookings from your My BMW app. And you will have contact basically with the service advisor through a chat function.
So you can chat through the apps.
Exactly. So the moment the car is in the workshop, if I'm a service advisor, I want to reach out to a customer, I can chat with the customer through the My BMW
Oh
app.
wow,
Yeah.
that's convenient.
So this is part of our excellent execution. And what will happen is the customer will be able to see also real-time tracking of what's happening with the car because of the chat function.
Oh wow, so the customer doesn't have to wait here on the workshop.
Look, we will love every customer to wait at the workshop and enjoy the ambience of the showroom. But if the customer needs to go back to work,
Of course.
we have what we call a personalized service video. So we take a video on the vehicle and any repairs that need to be done. And all the customer needs to do is the customer will have to approve the repair on the My BMW app.
Nice. So ya, jadi aplikasinya ini sangat-sangat powerful. And Pak Maha, the workshop itself looks very awesome.
Yes.
Do you mind
Yes.
tell us a bit about what's happening here?
So here we have all the work bays that are having fully integrated workbenches that allows the technician to work at his bay.
Okay.
Right? So if you look at each of these bays, for example, we have a, what do you call it, integrated exhaust system.
Yes. This
So,
one.
yep. So in case the engine needs to be started in the workshop, it will be, you can start the vehicle, right?
Yep.
And it can be used in multiple bays and so on. And if you go to one of the bays,
And basically, any BMW M Series electric, minis.
minis, we can service anything from minis right up to BMW I, even M.
Even M. Wow.
Right? So what we see here, this is a workstation of one of the technicians.
Looks
You-
very cool, yeah?
It is. It is a very seamless concept.
Okay.
It is something new that we have just implemented. The benches are from Dia, which is our partner.
So it's all standardized, yeah?
It's standardized. This is part of our retail makes concept for the workshops. So if you look at the workshop, it is bright, it's clean. Everything from the tools that the technician requires. Even if I were to say, if a technician requires the tool cabinet to be moved there, he can move it out.
Wow.
And here's his tools readily available for him.
So all of this standardized. Oh, even this is made in Germany.
Yes.
Can I check this one?
Yes, you sure, you can.
Made in Germany. So it's not just so like the cars, yeah?
Yeah.
It is made in Germany.
Yeah. So this is a very important tool for technicians who drop stuff.
If he suddenly kalau ada baut jatuh, set. Nah, cocok nih. I should have this because I drop a lot of
Things,
screws.
Yeah. In here we have what we call the ISTA system, where it gives you the ability to get other parts from this bench. Parts get delivered then to your work area, right?
Wow.
So that's the idea. Side of me here.
What is this? This is to insert fuel to the car?
This is actually our oil gun.
Oil gun.
Yeah. So if you can pull it.
Sounds very cool and heavy.
Yeah. So it's a metered gun. You can meter it. Let's say you have 6.25 liters that you require. You punch in 6.25 liters. It will dispense the 6.25 liters.
Wow. Jadi nggak usah lagi ngukur-ngukur pakai botol berapa liter, berapa mililiter. Langsung cek. Wow, this is very cool.
Yeah.
And then you can just like pull
Just
it back.
pull it out, and then it goes back in.
Wow.
And you have air as well if you
Air
require
as well.
air. That's one of the things. Even from a dust bin for waste, you have 2 bins here for waste.
So it's all standardized, yeah?
It's all standardized across the base.
Wow.
Yeah. So anytime the technician needs to have his equipment, everything is available here. He can read up repair instructions, order parts, do diagnosis on the machine. So the idea is the technician will not have to move from his bay.
Okay.
So that's the future concept.
That's the future concept. Jadi emang kalau enaknya servis resmi di BMW begini guys, itu tuh enaknya mekaniknya udah ada SOP-nya semua, nggak nebak-nebak, ya kan? Ada salah apa mereka udah tahu di manual booknya, di repair booknya harus ngapain aja. And can we go over there? I think
Yes,
like
let's walk.
there is 2 empty bay over there.
Yes. If you look at the concept here, so as you can see, there's a new generation Mini on the
Yep.
hoist. This area here, although there's no hoist,
Yeah.
is designed for any work that's required for electrical vehicles, for EVs.
So it is empty because of the purpose. It has to be empty.
Yes, it's been designed for the future.
Okay.
So even programming, we can program tasks here because we have the points that we can see the machine is already there for the programming. We can do diagnosis here, and also for any battery replacement that we will use either the hoist on your left or on your right to remove the battery, and the replacement will be done here.
Oh wow. And all the technicians are ready for electric cars.
Fully trained. So all our technicians here in Eurocars and all our dealer network are fully trained. We constantly have recertification to make sure they are up to speed in our latest generation.
Jadi kalau pakai mobil listrik BMW, nggak usah takut mekaniknya nggak bisa, karena mereka pasti dilatih untuk ngurusin mobil listriknya BMW, teman-teman. We are in peak 2, right?
Yes.
We are by the beach.
Yes,
It's very hot outside.
yes,
It's not very hot inside.
yes,
Is it like by design or
yes. So
coincidence?
you're right. You're absolutely right. The design of the workshop allows flow of air to go through, right? And also it gives the technician a very conducive environment to work, because they are the pillars behind our cars.
Yeah.
Right? Without them, we won't be able to repair the cars.
Yes.
So they're the most important people in a customer support business. So you can see that's the reason why we incorporated the benches. Even each technician has their dedicated base,
Yes.
right? And you have their names and
On
a
the top,
picture
yeah.
of them as well. And also ergonomics, right? So in this area here, right on top of us, is the technician restrooms.
Oh, they have restroom up
They have a restroom, fully air conditioned.
Oh.
They have even a kitchen readily available with a microwave and everything that they need to warm up their food.
Wow.
Easily accessible to them. Prayer room, all on one floor.
Right.
Yeah.
And then it's very bright as well.
Yes. So the lighting, we have certain standard lighting that we need to maintain.
Oh wait, so BMW has a standard in
Yes.
terms of lighting
Yes,
for the workshop.
for the workshop. So we have
Oh,
a minimum
okay.
standard that every workshop needs to follow.
Can you give me one example?
So the minimum standard is 800 lux as a bare minimum.
800 lux.
Lux.
So buat yang belum tahu, lux itu adalah satuan cahaya. And how do you measure that? I mean, you have a specific tool?
Yeah, so we have a lux meter that you measure in the workshop. So part of the design of the workshop, we always measure that first.
Oh, how?
So in order to ensure that the technician has a really bright environment to work in.
Jadi nggak ada lagi tuh kegelapan, gelap-gelapan karena bahkan terangnya cahaya aja di bengkel ya. Itu diperhitungkan dan ada standarnya dari BMW. Wow, so basically everything here is standardized and more coming like this?
More are coming, so a lot of workshops are being refurbished to cater for the future.
Nice. Wow. And
So-
what's the future for BMW then?
So the future is that we want to be number one in customer support, right? This is our future. So we train the technicians, the service advisors, every area in the customer support business.
Nice. Wow. Thank you so much, Pak Maha, for your time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
It's
so
a pleasure.
much. Thank you so much for explaining to us what is Relax We Care and BMW Workshop. It's very, very fascinating for me, and I believe the viewers also really likes it. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Jadi gimana? Bagus banget kan showroom BMW Roadster baru di PIK 2 ini. Pertama kalinya BMW gabung sama Mini. Terus tadi kita juga lihat BMW Relax We Care. Workshopnya bagus banget. BMW Premium Selection-nya juga ada di lantai 2. Jadi di sini benar-benar semuanya lengkap. Bahkan kalau kalian punya BMW, mau ngecas mobil listrik kalian ya, langsung datang aja ke sini, udah disediain. Jadi kalau kalian lagi pengen jalan-jalan ke showroom yang enak, datang aja sini ke BMW Eurocars di PIK 2. Jangan lupa di like, jangan lupa subscribe. Saya Jalan. See you next video guys. Bye bye.